Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to provide an overview of how to crawl a website within Raptor's web crawler. Now if you've signed up for either a free trial or a paid subscription, you're very likely to want to crawl a website. Everything that we provide in terms of data, analysis, auditing, technical auditing or competitor analysis all requires you to have actually crawled a website. So within the once you log in, you'll come to the projects homepage where you'll see a list of all of the projects that you've previously added to your account. Click on a project and that will take you through to the project details, and from here you'll have a range of different options for web crawling. For every site that you've got added, you'll have a crawl button, and you click that button, that will start a crawl going. If you have multiple sites within the top section, which is main sites, you can click this button here and that will crawl all of the main sites at the same time. If you've added competitors, you can click this button here to crawl all of the competitor sites. And if you've got multiple projects across both the main and the competitor categories, you can click this button here to crawl all of the sites within a project. In this particular example, I'm going to show you how to crawl a single website, which you do by clicking this link here. Now, once you click that button, this will initiate a website crawl, and you'll be taken through to this page here, where you can see the progress and process for our website crawler. So we'll look at the robots.txt file initially. We'll scrape all of the links that we found in any of the sitemaps that we've identified. All of those links will then be added to the crawl queue, and then we'll begin crawling the links within that queue. And you can see that that's the phase we're in at the moment, which is the website crawling site in progress step in the process. Any new links that we identify that aren't shown in the sitemaps will be added to the crawl queue and then crawled during the website crawl process. Once you've started this, you will also notice that the number of URLs that you have either on the free trial or as part of your monthly plan will start to reduce, as this is the only way in which we actually meter usage within our tool, which is the amount of URLs that we crawl. You'll notice down here that we show the file types that we've identified and crawled during the process. So these are things like HTML pages, images, JavaScript files and CSS files. And we also show the response codes that we have from these URLs, whether they're status 200 and accessible pages, 300 redirects, 400 error pages or 500 error pages, and then any others are grouped into the other category. Now when you are first setting up a project or you add a project, the final stage will ask you if you want to crawl, and so you can also crawl a site or a group of sites as part of the project creation process, which you can do either at any point when you're using the tool or when you first log in after having signed up for a trial account or a pricing or a paid plan. So that's how to crawl a website from within Raptor's web crawler. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.